This is Victor Antonio coming at you from Studio V, inviting you to Outbound. Yeah, the dates are set, man. The dates are set. If you have your ticket, we're going to see you there. We're not going to move the date. If you don't have a ticket, the question is why not? You got Anthony there. You got Mark. You got Jeb Blunt and a host of other speakers. We got some new speakers, new content, and it is going to be the rock show for salespeople of the year. Be there.
This is the rock show of rock shows. And if you're tired of looking at a video screen, if you're tired of virtual sales kickoffs, if you're ready to do something incredibly fun and do it safe, you got to be at Outbound 2021, June 15th to 18th. Go to outboundconference.com to pick up your ticket. They are limited because of social distancing, so don't miss out.
You've been cooped up. You've been cramped up. You've been locked in like a prisoner. And now finally the sun is coming out. Everything is returning back to normal. You're going to get a chance to get on an airplane. You're going to fly to Atlanta, and you're going to join us for the biggest, baddest, and best sales conference in the history of sales conferences. This is one you don't want to miss. The dates are set. The social distancing has all been taken care of. All you have to do is buy a ticket and get here in June, and we'll see you, and you're going to make this show great for us. And we can't wait to see you.